In the description.
What's up, guys? Lava VR here, and in today's video, we are playing Animal Company with Splokes and GT Plays. Alright, where do y'all want to go first?
I mean,
if I throw this at a landmine, would I die?
Yes.
Yes.
Definitely.
Oh my gosh, bro, you better die. You better die.
Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up.
Oh my gosh, what a shiny
Splokes run. Splokes run. Bro, it's about to explode, bro.
Oh my gosh,
oh my gosh, he exploded. By the way, bro.
Free plunger.
Free plunger.
Oh my god.
Run, leave him, leave him, leave him.
Guys, wait for me.
Go, go, go. Go, Splokes. Go, Splokes. Go.
Guys, don't go without me. Guys. Where are you? Oh, give me back my give me back my plunger. Oh wait, this is serious. This is serious. Thank you. Alright guys, let's do this.
Dodge, bro, you stepped on the landmine before. Don't step on it again. Plus, I have a crowbar now. We're safe. Go, go, go.
Oh,
Mimic's still here. Mimic's still here. That's how you know it's a mimic. Still moving.
Holy mother of
Blokes.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, okay. Stop moving, stop moving, stop moving.
I'm shaking.
I'm shaking like bacon.
What are you doing? Flare gun.
Get back! Splokes, help me! What's up, buddy? Kill it! Kill it!
Oh! Oh!
Did we kill it? No.
I think so. There's all these loots.
We killed it. There's a
Don't
ruby.
move!
Ow! Nothing happened when I
Take
moved.
everything. Take
Look, a flare gun!
Run.
A flare gun!
Grab flare gun.
Take a flare gun.
I died. No, I didn't.
Then don't die.
If I die,
Don't move.
if I die, share my plunger.
No.
There's still a freaking trophy. It's broken.
Grab it and bring it over here.
Flare gun? Or take the flare gun?
Take that.
I came. That ugly.
Fine, I'm taking this. You can take the flare gun.
Oh.
Oh God.
Wait, we can move? We can move it?
Yeah, because there's a wall. Because there's a
wait.
wall.
I'm stupid.
Guys, take my plunger. Take my plunger. Take my plunger.
Okay, fine. Here, there's another trophy. Here.
I put my flashlight.
A crowbar.
Guys, should we kill the red light, green light?
Yeah, we'll kill it.
I'd rather kill the monster that approaches us.
Red light, green light is monster.
Don't move.
The crowbar killed me. Hey guys, if you're enjoying these videos, make sure you like, subscribe, join my Discord, do all. Where's my stuff?
How do you talk like a walkie-talkie, bro? I'm gonna shoot it.
I can't see y'all.
How do you talk like a walkie-talkie?
You just put it to your, you put your mouth to your wrist. Are you a mimic?
I see the mimic. Shoot the mimic.
Mimic!
Shoot it.
You almost killed me!
Scared.
My bad. I killed the mimic though.
Give me my stuff. Give me my where's my
I'm gonna shoot that.
Alright, hold up.
Should we head
Is
back?
that where we came from?
No, we
No.
came from over there.
I'm gonna shoot that.
Yo!
Don't!
Trophy!
I can't get it.
I'll get it.
Oh my gosh, Coca-Cola.
Oh my god.
I'ma
Oh my
kill
god,
that
guys, it's a
beast.
Gorilla Tag Ghost. Oh my god, it's a Gorilla Tag Ghost. Guys,
I'm gonna kill that beast.
your stuff was saving.
Save? hold on, let me just.
Warning, there's a red light, green light, monster back, like, literally, bro.
I'm back, guys.
What is that? What is that?
Don't take my flare
bro,
gun!
This guy's really taking that, bro. Bro, it's not serious.
Don't take my flare gun! That's mine. It still works, don't shoot it!
No, it doesn't. It doesn't. No.
Look.
No, my Kraber, my Kruger.
I'll buy you a new one, Smokes.
Oh my gosh.
Grab, Student, grab this. Smokes, grab this.
Why should I?
We need the pipe.
Why should we?
Hey, I got some iron.
No one cares. Stop it!
Don't move.
Just teleport back with all my stuff. Actually, I'm coming.
I killed it.
I'm coming! Mimic. There's a mimic! Where's my stuff?
I retrieved it. Where's GT Play?
He might have fell. Just go check.
Alright, I'm just taking. Oh, he left.
He left the game?
Guys, I'm back.
Hey,
Guys,
okay, we're taking all of this.
guys, I'm back.
Take
We're
all this
leaving you.
stuff.
We're
Come back.
leaving you.
Come back. No, don't leave.
I didn't log off. I did not log off.
Just
Yeah.
come back. Come here. We're gonna
It's a
teleport
mimic!
back.
It's a mimic!
Oh, I'm going to punch you, bro.
Did we get all of our stuff?
Oh!
Where's my backpack?
Where did your backpack go?
Give me. Where's my crowbar? Give me my crowbar.
Boing!
That's fine.
Boing!
We'll get you a. Give me my crowbar now.
Yeah.
What do we do with the pipe?
We're go sell that stuff. I'm going to get my stuff.
Yo, guys. I'm with Splokes right now. What level we are? Splokes, do you copy?
Pipe. You gotta,
All right, we're good.
gotta use your watch, bro. You gotta use your watch.
Throw
What
that
do we do with this?
in.
Okay,
I
fine.
got 1,000! Oh my god!
Bro, I'm so rich. I have.
Bro, I got 1,082!
I got 1,400.
What does the pipe do?
Ow!
100.
I got more!
$100 just for a pipe?
That's my flare gun.
I'll buy you a new one.
Nah.
That's crazy.
I'll buy you a new one.
Bro, I'll try to find a flare
Here's
gun.
a flare gun.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, free flare gun.
Free pleasure.
Don't worry, I can buy it. You
Okay, guys,
flare gun, a
we're
flare gun.
going to somewhere. We're going. Did you
We're going
really
where,
hear that,
bro?
Okay, we're going to some place where
Die!
there's no return. But first, we're heading to the secret shop to get stuff.
Oh no, I think I already.
You can get more
Banana.
Wait a minute, what's in here?
ammo. You can get more
It's my
ammo.
house. Welcome to my house.
Oh no, you have to actually buy. More
Welcome to
flare
my
guns
house,
if you
bro.
want.
Get up here. Welcome to my house.
This is not your house, buddy.
I live here, bro.
Flare like
Ah!
Did you just shoot it?
My bad. I accidentally pressed the wrong button.
I don't have enough for.
I'm gonna buy a plunger
Of course you are.
guys.
because
Let's go.
Plunger's kind of good.
Bro.
We're heading
Hey,
to.
Bruno. flare gun. Okay. For a second I thought I lost y'all.
I like the plunger.
No, the plunger.
I regret showing
What?
GT
You can
plays a
try it.
plunger.
Yeah, but it's very good. Look.
No,
look at
it's
this, look
not.
at this.
It's literally just a plunger that can stick to walls. Literally, if you have raw monkey strength, let's go.
Guys,
Well,
wait for
did
me.
we even take a backpack?
What's on my back, bro?
Wait for me.
You have nothing on your back.
What do you mean?
There's,
I have stuff
you,
on my
you
back.
don't have your back.
He has a
did you
backpack.
do
He has a
with your
backpack. It's
backpack?
fine. It's fine. We can. That means we can
Bro,
we
nah,
can
bro.
get 2 briefcases.
Fine, bro.
Let's go.
Did we even bring a flashlight?
He blinded. I can't see.
Come on. You don't even need a flashlight. Just follow me, bro.
I can't see. Help.
Go to the
Then
light,
don't
bro.
Okay, we're killing
Alright.
the red light, green.
Red. Green. Crate. Kill it. We need the crate. I literally just saw you slide, bro. Kill it.
I'm gonna try to kill it.
Spokes. Wait. Just getting this out the way. Is it Splokes or Spokes?
Splokes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Open the
guys.
crate. Open the crate.
Yo, bro.
Yo, gold!
Splo-
Get the backpack.
Guys.
Kill him. Get the back.
Yo, love.
Get the backpack.
Okay.
Backpack. Get the backpack or you're dead. You're gonna get
Fill it up. Put the gold in the bag.
You can't do that.
I said put the gold in the bag, bro. Put it in the bag. There's still one more. Put the gold in the bag. Put that plunger down.
You should have put the plunger in.
Is it already
is there
full?
no space?
Yo, someone pick up the plunger.
There we go.
Oh. Kill it. We need a crowbar. You're gonna die. Hit it.
I got the crowbar.
Go. Is that empty?
Probably.
Give Splokes his crowbar.
Please, I want to hold it.
Oh, wait.
fine.
Long arms.
Oh, let's break this.
Boom.
Yo! We loaded.
Diamond.
Those
Take it.
diamonds
It's
in the
bro.
sky.
This
What
is,
the hell is
this is a ruby. Smoke.
Oh.
Splokes found his new favorite toy.
Now that's blokes. That's just blokes. That's not the
Splokes. I said Splokes.
Yeah, that's his crowbar now. Guys, just focus.
He's
Let's
replacing
focus.
his crowbar in Monkey. What?
Guys,
It's fine. We can move.
look.
Splokes, take off the backpack so we can get the stuff.
No, I don't want to.
I'm gonna hit you with the crowbar.
Open it up. Oh my god. I love this toy, bro.
Blokes, don't.
Best of- Oh my gosh, another one. I have 2.
Oh.
Take the backpack, bro. Put it on.
I will do it.
Splokes, take out your crowbar back.
Dude!
Take out your crowbar back.
Then I'm gonna.
Splokes, he took your crowbar.
All right. Oh shoot.
Where's
We
Splokes?
dead.
Mimic, you're gonna have to fight this since you have the crowbar.
Splokes.
Kill it. That's not Splokes.
Okay.
Keep hitting it.
I am.
Hit it.
Die, you ugly beast.
You killed it. You killed it. Where's Splokes? Splokes!
I told him to die.
Wait, thought this was you, Splokes, or he thought it was you. Splokes, no!
Oh!
She died. Yo, hold on. Eric, put stuff out here. Put stuff out here.
Blokes.
Who has the backpack? You have to give me the backpack. Give me the backpack.
I was literally behind a wall. How?
Thank you.
I'm coming back with a flash.
I don't think we're safe.
It's so heavy. Dang it! I'll go grab stuff. You stay here.
Okay, I'll stay here. Splokes. Splokes, we have your stuff here. Come on. Splokes, don't play around.
Sorry, take this. Where's my flashlight? That's. Are you Splokes?
Are you?
Flashlight.
Are you Splokes?
Splokes,
Yeah, bro, I'm totally spooked,
take
bro.
Splokes, take your jumpers.
Come on! We gotta quickly do this. My headset's full. Let's go.
Hold on, guys, I'm coming. Hold on.
We can't.
That mimic, bro.
Oh my God! I thought that was a mimic.
Oh no, I'm gonna have to throw my jumper away because now it's this.
We'll buy you a new one.
I want it.
Wait, no!
He had the
Oh my
backpack.
gosh, the guy with the bro, he had to die.
I know, but it's fine.
How is it fine, bro? He had the backpack.
We'll get suitcases.
Bro, he literally got like at least $20. I'm dead. I'm joking. And imagine if I die.
Hey, GT Plays, stay up there. We can't risk losing anything else. Just stay up there. We'll bring you the stuff. Alright, come on.
Oh my god, bro, I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. What the hell?
He came down. I hear him.
Okay. Where the hell are we supposed to go now? Oh my god.
W.
Bro. This reminds me of Only Up.
I know. This one's the end. We're going down the
This is the
sewers now.
end? Oh shoot, bro. This place is full with bumpers.
We're here. Hello? We're.
Oh my god.
We don't need any flashlights. We don't need anything. We just need to grab the stuff very
Bro,
carefully.
you're gonna die.
All right, you ready?
This is the most risky play ever.
Let's go.
Okay, I took one of the oh my gosh.
Just crawl down here. Just crawl.
I don't like this, bro. It's the first time I've been here. It's the first time I'm here, but
You're dealing with the pro. I'm a pro at this.
all right. I'm just gonna follow you. Bro, wait up, bro. I'm slow. Slow as muska.
Miska. Okay, I gotta figure out which way.
I thought you were a pro at this.
I am. I'm a pro at maneuvering. All right,
Oh no, bro.
take it as slow as you need.
Okay, I'm up here.
down. Alright, good. Come down.
Wait. Wait. Alright, done. Let's just go before your headset dies.
Okay.
This is so risky, bro. Bro, any small mistakes and we are cooked.
Oh no. We gotta head back.
Bro, are you serious?
I've never been so serious, bro. But it's fine since... What?
Yo, we got something, I don't know.
Oh gosh. Yeah. Noodle?
Okay, where are we going?
Oh. No. Actually, yeah. Yes! Come on! Don't touch that. It's pretty obvious not to touch it, but I'm just saying, put it out there. We made it to the second part. Oh, I'm coming back. Then we made it to the second part. You can tell because purple light.
Bro, there's a second one, I don't remember this.
It's I call it the second part, but it's technically the same part. How you doing up there, GT Plays?
Yo, we are about
to risk our lives.
It's fine as long as you...
Oh, it's this part. Okay.
Yeah,
I
you're
thought it
gonna...
was like a new part.
It changes every time. I don't understand why. I mean, for fresh...
Any tentacles?
Alright, come on.
Oh my gosh.
Just
I
drop...
like money.
Don't grab it, bro.
Let's go. I got it.
Okay. Yeah, over here.
Yo. We're so...
We're here. Spokes, I'm going to need you to grab both of the suitcases and try to crawl your way.
I got you guys flashlights.
Okay, my headset's low, but we're going out with a bang, bro.
Let me just tell.
Yo, I was about to die. I couldn't grab the second backup.
See how much money we get.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm doing nothing. Nothing is technically just this.
I got you guys flashlights.
I really hope Spokes gets it.
Yo, I got you a flashlight. I got you a flashlight.
He got it! He did it! You did it! You freaking did it!
Bring in the stuff.
You legend! You absolute legend!
Bro,
My monkey!
How much money did we get?
Oh!
Yo!
You got us 1,000!
Let's go! W Spokes!
Guys,
W Spokes!
Let's go to the secret place.
Look at this. That's literally me. Alone
Yeah.
over there. Alone in the zero gravity room.
Thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all would like more videos with Splokes and GT Plays, leave a like down below and make sure you go sub to Splokes and make sure you go sub to GT Plays. And this is
Yep.
Lava VR signing out. Bye!